Hi guys! We're learning that for the base words in our CVVC and CVCC categories, we do not double before we add our suffix ed or ing. For the base words that end in the CVC pattern, we need to double the final consonant. And then yesterday we learned about a new pattern that was called CVCE, consonant, vowel, consonant, E. And we looked at the words, we created a chart, we labeled the pattern, and then we added our suffixes, ed and ing. So if you have a look at all these yellow words in here, all of them hate, like, care, and live, and with an E. So they all fall into the spelling pattern that is called CVCE. And we said that if the word ends with the E or falls into CVCE pattern category, we need to drop the E and then add the suffix. So for today, we have a little bit more practice, and I already finished the first two words for you, hope and note. Both of them are in the CVCE categories, so I dropped the E, added ing or ed. So hope, hoping, hoped, note, noting, noted. Now let's look at the word smile. You can pause if you would like, write the word smile on your whiteboard, mark the vowels, and see what spelling pattern this word falls into. Very good. Yes, it's a CVCE word. So smile, add ing, smiling, and smiled in the past tense. All right, next one. You can pause the video again, write the word walk on your board, mark the vowels, and write the right spelling pattern for it. Walk, it's a CVCC pattern. We do nothing. We just add ing and ed. Walking and walked. Awesome. Two more. Lift. What type of spelling pattern is that? Yes. Consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. So lifting and lifted in the past tense. And the last one is hike. H is a consonant, I is a vowel, K is a consonant, and then we have final E. So we have CVCE. CVCE pattern. What do we do when we have a CVCE pattern? Drop the final E and add the suffix. So hiking and hiked. Okay, that's it. Easy. Thank you.